Alright guys, there's two inbuilt in Windows 10 that you can use very easily. You can just go in here, go settings, you can go into the system, then over here choose storage, and you can see here is exactly the same as using tree size or Windows stat to check which is occupying your disk space. So inside here, this is my total on the C drive. You can see all that is occupying right here, and you can even go in to see temporary files that you can delete. So here's a recommended. You can even see what is the description, and you can delete whichever you prefer. Now there's also others like app features. You can see by sorting, then you can delete it very easily. There's also others that are just folders, and you can even go in and see directly inside and delete off. Okay, other than this, there is view storage usage on other drives. Here also you can choose another drive, go in, let it scan, and then you can go in and delete whichever you prefer. Now there is another built-in app that is very useful. Is if you see your keyboard and you press Start and G, then you will see this is the Xbox game bar on your Windows 10. So over here you can choose, here is your favorite bar. You can even choose which should be placed on your favorites bar. You can even do Spotify or whichever, even recording, capture. You can even record on your screen. Right here you can start recording when you play games. You don't have to install Op Studio or any third-party app. It's all built in. Even they have the FPS counter right here. Okay, you can even have your inbuilt FPS counter. You can go into this. Here is a settings, and then inside here you can choose either to monitor your CPU, GPU, RAM usage, and everything, even FPS counter. So yeah, everything here are all built in, all free, and all don't need to install anything. So thank you all for watching. Famous Cyber Amos signing out.